Hey, here's something for you to do today. I am playing with the tractor again. Just finished hooking up the backhoe. So I'm gonna do some backhoeing today. Yeah. You can insert your own jokes right here. All right, here we are. And what we're looking at now is what we're calling the campsite. I kept a couple of this little shrub brush around here. And we plan on planting some pine trees around. We got some nice spots for tents and campers and whatnot. But what needs to happen is right in this center space, I'm going to dig a fire pit. So I brought some materials. We're going to mark it off. We're going to give this backhoe a go. Well, there's the rough outline. The learning curve on this one's going to be tough because I have not used this bucket once at all, and I don't know about its reach and extension, but I'm just I gotta back it up. Then I spin the seat around and I just sit here and run the controls. So let's get it set up. Let's do this. Oh boy. This backhoe is ugly. Yeah, this is not going to be a pretty process. I think we're going to kill it right here. And I got to work with this because I don't know what's up and what's down, but I guess that's what you get with a backhoe. I'm stalling now because I don't want to use the backhoe. Well, it's not I don't want to. I'm just not good at it. So we pulled a bunch of rocks out. We'll use most of these for building a fire ring. As you can see, this hole is still hard to handle. There's quite a learning curve. The ground is hard as all get out, so that's really been helpful to break it up. So I I think I'm just going to go a little old school at this point and clean this up with the shovel. Okay, we're getting there. I recruited some help. There we go. It's looking good. You boys remember the first fire pit you helped me dig?
Nope.
You were like, geez, I don't know, 3 years old, 4 years old. Oh, look at these little guys digging their very first fire pit. Oh, the memories. Next thing to do is play some more grown-up Legos, build a little rock ring. Gonna need more rocks and bigger rocks. Found some more stone. Rock on. Now I've got a few more pieces for the puzzle. Let's put it together. Not looking too bad. I think I've brought in all the rocks I want to. Diameter's pretty big, but that's all right. I want to be able to burn sticks and brush and leaves in here too. So this is definitely a hardy sized fire ring. Well, this has been a fun little project. I think it's going to work out just fine. Last thing we do to make it official, light her up. Feels good to cross this one off the list. Till next time, peace.